In this video, let us learn how to enable caching in our Spring application. To enable caching in our Spring application, we need to use enable caching annotation in conjunction with @configuration. The enable caching annotation enables annotation-driven cache management capability. Enable caching is used with configuration classes and it invokes the annotations such as cache result, cache put, cache remove all. Okay. So if we have to use caching in our Spring application, first of all, use @enable caching in conjunction with configuration and then use these annotations. Okay. Suppose I want to cache the response of a method. I have a method getImply. So I want to cache the response of this method for the MPID. For the MPID 1, the response will be this string, and for the MPID other than 1, the response will be this. When caching is performed, the caching is for the parameter values, the passed parameter values, and then the response for that parameter values, and the response will be cached for the given value. Here I am giving the value EMP. Okay. For the demo purpose, I am configuring cache manager, and here I am using simple cache manager and configuring the concurrent map cache. Concurrent map cache is used for small work, or you can use for dev and in testing purpose. Okay, so what I am doing here is I am just creating a bean and configuring our cache manager, and I have an imply bean. Here I am using cacheable, and when will I access getImply is a method by passing the parameter 1. First time this method will execute, and when we call it again with the same parameter value, here look, I am calling imply.getImply for the parameter 1 value 1, so method will execute, but for the second time method will not execute, we will get the value from cache. Let's run it. Look, first time method executed and we got the response. Second time we didn't get this message. What I am doing here, I am printing this message if this method is executed. So what will happen that for the first time when we call imply.getImply for the parameter value 1, the getImply method executed, and the second time getImply method is not executing. It's getting value from the cache. So in this way we can enable cache in our Spring application. We have to just use enable caching and then use the cache annotations. Okay, thank you.